Hey Erica, ready for a fresh start? Oh, am I ever. This year's been rough. I'm ready to turn over a new leaf. What are your hopes and dreams for this coming year? I need to find a new job. I want to travel to Europe. I would like to lose 5 pounds, and I hope my family stays healthy. Wow, those are some lofty goals. Life is short, you might as well reach for the stars. Welcome to Breathe English. I'm your host Erica, and today we are talking about future plans and goals. A new year is starting, so I'm wearing my New Year sequins. So to express our wishes and hopes for the future, we will look at modal verbs and some useful vocabulary and idioms. Are you ready to go after your dreams? Let's go! If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the like to help me out, and thank you. When do we talk about the future and our goals for the future? For sure in a new year, or once you've reached another goal like graduation, or you're starting something new. Maybe you moved to a new place or started a new career. It could be the end of one thing looking to the future, or the beginning of something new and how you would like it to be. You might say, I'm making a fresh start, or I'm starting on a clean slate. This is a clean slate. You can make whatever you want on the slate. I'm just brainstorming. To express our future plans, we often use modals. Modals are a very special kind of verb. One, they don't use S's in the third person singular. You would not say, she might leave early. We say, she might leave early. Number two, they are directly followed by an infinitive verb without using to. So you do not say, I could to go with you. You say, I could go with you. No to, people. Let's start with the easy one, will. This is to express something you will certainly do. Today I will go to the gym and call my mom. This week I will get paid. This year I will continue to study Spanish. And then we have will probably, which is still the modal verb will. But will probably is slightly less certain than will. But it is still likely. I will probably visit my family this summer. I'll probably make more videos this year. I probably won't start learning Korean. I probably won't get married. Okay, and then going down the probability ladder, we have may. May is something that's still probable, but not as certain. So this year, I may start a garden. I may quit drinking soda. I may not see my cousin. I may not buy a pet. Might is similar to may, but expresses a bit less certainty. Might is less probable than may. I might look for a new job. I might buy a house. I might not save too much money. I might not learn how to gourmet cook. Would like to. Would is a modal verb, but to talk about the future goals, we will use the phrase would like to. So you do have to in there. Would like to expresses a wish or desire. It could be something that's possible, that might happen. It could also be something that's impossible, but you're just expressing how you would like things to be. So, I would like to buy a house this year. This is possible. Not as much in Denver, but that's another story. Or I could say, I would like to buy a house this year, but I don't have money. That is something that is impossible. It's not going to happen. I would like to travel to Asia. That sounds like something that's possible. I would like to travel to Asia, but I need to get vaccinated. first. So this just expresses a wish, not a possibility. Should is to express something that is good for you or someone else or the right thing to do. I should exercise more. So exercising more would be good for me, but I'm not too excited about it. I should save more money. So maybe it's not as fun to save money as it is to spend money, but in the long term, it's the better thing to do. I get a lot of joy from saving money. I should quit smoking. So nobody wants to quit smoking because it's very addictive, but it's a good thing to do for your health. If you're wondering, no, I do not smoke. But if you're trying to quit, I hope you have the best of luck. Let's do a quick check for understanding of our modal verbs. Here's the spectrum from not gonna happen to definitely will happen. And you decide based on the spectrum how probable it is. This year, I might join a gym. This year, I will take a computer class. This year, I would like to buy a house. This year, I may travel to Canada. This year, I should stop wasting money. Should is a tricky one to place. It could be anywhere from not gonna happen to very probable. Hey, wanna go to the park? No, I wanna finish this show. How long have you been watching TV? About 6 hours. Are you just eating chips for dinner? Yeah, I'm broke as a joke. You need to turn over a new leaf. Turn over a new leaf? What? Yes, turn over a new leaf, like a page in a book. They used to call them leaves. You turn the leaf like you leave those bad habits behind. At the start of a new year or the start of new beginnings, a lot of times we want to change our habits. We either want to get rid of bad habits or take up new good habits. There's some good idioms for this. We have kick the habit. So this means stopping a bad habit. So you could kick the habit of gambling, kick the habit of smoking, or you quit smoking, quit gambling. So kick the habit, you kick it out of here. All right, and then we have the idiom once and for all. This is often used when we quit something once and for all. I'm gonna stop arguing with my mom once and for all. I'm giving up meat once and for all.
It's over between me and John once and for all.
And then we have get my act together, or get your act together. He needs to get his act together. Get your act together could mean basically someone saying your life is a mess and you need to clean it up and organize it and take responsibility.
John Lake can't get his act together. I always have to save him from his own messes.
All right, and then no pain, no gain basically means if you don't have some struggle, some pain, some sweat, you're not going to gain anything. You won't get anything back. You get what you put in. Okay, and then we have goal setting. Lots of people like to talk about the goals they are going to set. So people refer to long-term goals and short-term goals. A long-term goal might be many years, or it might be several months, like 3 to 6 months. And short-term goals, also, weeks or months, definitely not years. This festive time of year, people might ask you if you have New Year's resolutions. These could be any kind of goal. A lot of times they're health goals, eating healthier or exercising more. It could be career goals. Maybe you want a promotion. Maybe you want to gain a new certification. They could be personal goals, spend more time with your family, or make more time for your friends, spend more time in nature, start a tilapia farm, build a tiny home. Anyway, it could be anything. A few more goal-setting idioms. We have get the ball rolling. So the ball's just sitting there. The hardest part is getting it rolling, is starting. Once you get the ball rolling, it kind of keeps rolling. And buckle down. So buckle down means to really buckle yourself in and focus and work really, really hard on something without being distracted. Reach for the stars. Reach for the stars means to set really high goals for yourself. I hope this helps you express some of your future goals, whether they are short-term or long-term. Please write in the comments what goals do you have. Try to use some modals, some idioms. Let me know what your hopes and dreams are, either for the new year or your new beginning, whatever that is. Thank you for continuing your goal of improving your English with me. I'm Erica, and we will see you next time. Bye.